Hey guys, this is Ankit and welcome to the Google Cloud Platform Task Series. We are doing a list of basic tasks to get ourselves familiar with Google Cloud Provider, that is GCP. We are following the DevOps Engineer and SRE learning path, also available at cloudskillsboost.google/paths. You can always refer my repository, the Cloud Terminal 01/learn-devops to get more details. In today's task, we have the following objectives. We will be using the Google Cloud Console to build and manipulate GKE cluster. We'll use the console to deploy a pod. We'll also be using it to get more details about the cluster, about the nodes, deployments, etc. The total amount of time we will be spending will be around 4 to 7 minutes. So let's begin. Let's start with our first subtask. We will create a GKE cluster with the name standard cluster 1 in zone US Central 1A. So let's go to Kubernetes engine clusters. Create a cluster. Let's use the standard mode. We'll give the cluster name as standard cluster 1. Keep everything as default. We want to keep the zone as US Central 1A. So let's change this to US Central 1A and click on create. Let's wait for the cluster to become in ready state now. So our cluster is ready now. This is the information about the cluster. These are the cluster basics, automation, networking section. We can go to the nodes section. We have 3 nodes as of now. This is the storage section, observability, and logs. So let's go to nodes section, click on the default node pool, and let's edit this, and we will change the number of nodes to 4, and let's save. The default number of nodes are now changed to 4. Let's go back. And we'll see that now we have 4 nodes in our cluster. Let's move on to workloads section, and let's deploy a containerized application. We'll deploy Nginx latest image. Let's keep everything as default and click on continue. The deployment is in progress. And now the deployment is complete. So these are the details for the Nginx deployment, and even the graphs have started to show now. We can go to the details section. Then there is revision history. Currently there is only one revision that we deployed just now. This is the events section, and this is the logs section where we get the container logs, and this is the YAML section where we can check the YAML configuration of our deployment. Let's go back to overview, and let's select one of the managed pods. Now this section shows the pod details. You can see the CPU consumption, the memory consumption, and the disk usage. These are the other details. Again, we can go to the events section, the logs section, and the YAML section as well, where we will see the YAML related to this pod. So this completes all of our subtasks. That's all for today. See you in the next video.